again really love Pokhara and he recognized Pokhara as well as Nepal. Without I think Nepal not to all over the world none. Okay, thank you.
Pokhara was one of the places he loved
Most love, yeah.
So you are.
That's okay.
सबैभन्दा चाहिँ यहाँ पछाडि पनि यही छ होइन शिवराले खिचिरहेको पनि राम्रो छाया हेर्नुहोस् न
The Mountain Museum. Mountain does not only mean mountain peaks and climbing, but mountain also includes all the people who are living in the mountain area. And as the population grows very much, especially in the lowlands, it will be more and more important to keep these mountain people, their traditions, their houses alive. And one forgets this. And therefore, when we can have exhibitions with the photos of my father from the 50s, you can remind how it was. You can realize the traditions and all these different ethnic mountain people. The ethnic groups and the traditions of mountain people.
कार्यक्रम गरेछ हाम्रा पुराना हिस्ट्रीलाई फेरि बिउजाएर हाम्रो संस्कार सभ्यता र नेपालको पर्यटन कुन हिसाबले गइरहेछ र नेपाल केको लागि परिचित छ भन्ने कुराहरू यस नेपाल माउन्टेन म्युजियमले विभिन्न कालखण्डमा आफूलाई स्थापित गरिसकेको छ र हामी पर्यटन व्यवसायले ज्यादा नै खुसी छौं। नेपाल माउन्टेन म्युजियमले एउटा चाहिँ नयाँ प्रोडक्ट थपेर फेरि उत्साह जगाएको छ।
Of commitment of all of you having made this 16th anniversary. It's also a pleasure for me to be here with Dr. Katrin Hagen, the daughter of late geologist Tony Hagen. He was for us also a very important person because he was the first Swiss who came to Nepal in the 50s, and he set he foot in this soil. It was at the time where Nepal was still a forbidden country, and he really could promote this beautiful country and the nature and the people. And we have seen just while opening this exhibition of his picture how Nepal was at the time when he was here, and how beautiful his picture showed the country Nepal as it was.
नेपालको इतिहासमा रिसर्चले के बताइरहेछ भने सबैभन्दा बढी आन्तरिक टुरिज्म भएको चाहिँ यहाँ 2018, त्यो भन्दा बढ्ने छ 19, त्यो भन्दा बढ्ने छ 20, करिब 50 लाख टुरिस्टहरू अथवा आन्तरिक पर्यटकहरू चाहिँ देशभित्र ओहोरदोहोर गरेका छन्।